Okay, so what do you have right now?
Hiccups.
Hiccups. Swallow. No, open your mouth. No, and show everybody that you have hiccups. That you're not joking. Just swallow. If you swallow, you'll get a hiccup. No more hiccups? They're gone? You have hiccups?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, so how are we going to get rid of hiccups?
I need to remind me of a fish and say, I'm not a fish.
Right, you have to put a
I'm
picture.
a human.
You have to think of a fish and put your face on that fish. And then think, I'm not a fish.
I'm not a fish.
And say,
I'm
fishes
a
are the old,
human.
I used to be a fish, but now I'm a human.
I used to be a fish, but now I am a human.
Yeah, but you have to think of the picture in your head of you being a fish. Right? Think of the fish with your face on it and say, I'm not a fish anymore. I'm a human.
I'm not a fish anymore. I'm a human.
And now, do you have hiccups?
No.
They're gone?
Yeah.
You sure?
No.
You have them?
Yeah.
I guess it doesn't work.
You lied to me.
Well, no, I didn't lie. We're seeing what TikTok says. TikTok said that the reason, tell everybody why we do this. I saw on TikTok that it said that the reason why we hiccup is because there was left over from when humans used to be fishes. And this is, if you tell yourself you're not a fish, the hiccups will go away. But this is a bust. See you next time. Tia, say bye. Cutie pie.